First up, let's get you the latest as far as the high-level meeting to monitor the situation arising out of Cyclone Amphan is concerned. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is holding a meeting with Ministry of Home Affairs officials, National Disaster Management Authority. Home Minister Amit Shah is also present in this meeting, and this is to take stock of the situation, to review the situation arising out of Cyclone Amphan in different parts of the country. Remember, Odisha and West Bengal are going to be the two most affected states as far as this approaching cyclone is concerned. Several NDMA teams have already been assigned in various districts that are expecting the rainfall due to this cyclone in the Bay of Bengal. Let's also go across to our executive editor, Abhishek Kapoor, joining us. Abhishek, what more can we tell our viewers about this meeting to review Cyclone Amphan? All right, we'll go across to Abhishek in just a bit, but remember, this is a severe cyclonic storm that is brewing and approaching states like West Bengal and Odisha. Several districts have already been put on high alert, and several teams of the NDMA have already been deployed. Now there's a high-level meeting going on with the Prime Minister chairing the meet with Ministry of Home Affairs officials, the Home Affairs Minister Amit Shah also present, and NDMA officials are also present as part of this high-level meeting. Of course, remember, this is coming in the midst of the COVID crisis. So further problems that the governments in these states, Odisha and West Bengal, and also, of course, the government at the national level is looking to contain. Cyclone Amphan has been declared as a severe cyclone, and it is gathering steam. Several districts in both Odisha and West Bengal are expected to receive heavy rainfall and high winds because of the cyclone.